How to recover Metamask account. So if you want to recover a Metamask account, it's actually quite very simple to do so. Now for this, first of all, if you open the Metamask Wallets app, here we can see a couple of options. At the bottom we have two options. One is to import using recovery phrase or create a new wallet. So basically if you want to create a new wallet, you select that, but here in this case we are trying to recover a wallet. So if we go to import using secret recovery phrase, let us look at the options. The first option that we have is to simply choose and enter our recovery phrase right here, and then after that we have to enter the new password and confirm the password. Now if you lost your secret recovery phrase for some reason, because you wrote it down somewhere, the paper isn't there, you jotted it down on a note, the note has been deleted, or you cannot find it and you don't know, or maybe you didn't pay much attention when it said you to backup. Well, unfortunately, there is no way that we can actually recover a recovery phrase or a wallet of Metamask, because it is a blockchain wallet. And unlike the traditional passwords, because passwords can be resetted using email addresses and phone number, a blockchain wallet that uses secret recovery phrase cannot be recovered. So unfortunately, you can see we do not have any option as well that will ask us to recover our blockchain wallet account. I hope that this video helped you understand the questions. If you have got any further queries, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching till the very end, and as always, see you soon in the next video.